This time, I will teach you how to make your own YouTube intro. Check this out. Hi, this is V. Welcome back. There are several applications to use in making a YouTube intro, but I've chosen Kind Master. Open the app. Select New Project. Select the aspect ratio. Go to Media. Choose a background. We will only use one background in this project. Proceed with Layer. Insert Media. In my previous upload, I already have the tutorial on how to make your own logo, the customized one in PixArt. Adjust. Put animation. Go to Layer again. Insert text. This is a short description of your YouTube channel. So what is it all about? Position it. Choose font, color, put animation, preview, lastly, the background music. Adjust the volume. And it's now ready to export. Done. See? Easy, right? It's just simple. Thank you for watching.